lautlos zu sein. Also, here is my plane. I'm the fucking Red Baron. I'm fighting with the Russian army and I don't care about your fucking film, but I want to fucking shut up, do not film my face. So do not motherfucking. I'm a little bit drunk, so please film the airplane and not me because I'm not 80. What? Yes, so you can come through this piece and I will sit on the plane because fucking plane. So come here to film the board. Film the board. This is the start button. Here starting the plane, and this is a very developed radar system that shows me all of the plane stations, and I don't know what are you talking about. These PlayStations are appearing on the screen. And on the screen appears all of the American army and all of the military units that I have to shoot down. And there is coming another plane. Here's my colleague. So 2 colleagues of me just came down from the air from a mountain, because they are a mountain equipment of our military. Something I don't speak good English.